you doing? I'm Andy, and this is the Hummingbird bus. Come on in, we'll take a look. So, right over here in the front, I had a bunch of plants here, but I had a mouse attack, so I had to like rip this thing off to get to the mice. So there's no cover there right now. I kept the original bus seats here just to make a quick dinette. The whole build out was done in a month and a half just to get me to a camp host job so I'd have a place to live while I was doing that. I got this bus rack from another bus and it needed to be trimmed down to fit my windows, but it's a nice storage spot. And then I've got this bench here which works as a good storage spot. And the cubic mini stove is going to be installed soon. I just got that a couple days ago, so that's new, and that'll keep me warm for winter months. In the kitchen here, I use the Whale Gusher foot pump. So you get that going. I just changed the water there, so that just comes out. I used a copper pipe, keep it real simple. And the double sink has the ability to just, you know, I kept the pieces I cut out so you can stick those in there like that. And eventually there will be an overhead cabinet here, but it's not here yet. And full-size fridge. I got 780 on the roof and 600 amp hours batteries underneath this case here. And 2000 watt inverter, so it handles the refrigerator great. And I turned this into my closet. This was where the fridge was living. I'm going to build another box just like this for the fridge here. And under the bed here I've got a ton of storage. That's where I keep all my tools. I used to live in a van and I moved from the van into this in order to have enough room for my tools and still be able to live around in the rig. One of my favorite things I just built was a composting toilet. I love it. It has a fan that vents out to the floor. I think that they're really important to have a way to handle your waste instead of going out and digging holes and polluting BLM land and things like that. Right. So that's working amazing for me. It's been a really big step. This little dresser I found at a thrift store right here. That one works really great because it was so skinny. It fit perfectly for the corner. One of the things that bothered me in my van was that I didn't have enough space to, you know, I had to, if you have two people in bed, you got to climb over the other person. So I made enough space here that you can walk around the bed. Right. So that's kind of nice to be able to get around it. And yeah, I put this wood up here. Usually there's the plastic channel, so I put that wood there to run all the wires through the channels. All right. That's been working good.
Did you have those rails in your floor?
Yeah, I still have the floor as the original floor here still. But the L-track works good for just about everything. If you want to tie anything down, it's really industrial in here. I can haul a lot of stuff.
Taking them out is a major problem.
Yeah, exactly. It is major. And I just didn't have the time to rip it out.
Tell people is you've got stainless steel bolts every 4 inches for the whole length of the bus times 4.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So, and I would, even if I took out the ones in the floor, I would still leave the ones up here because they're just so useful. You can just get one of the clips. I'm looking for one of the clips. I don't have any back here. But in the kitchen I have some, and you just click them into the L-track, and they sell all sorts of different devices for that on Amazon. You just look up L-track devices, and it's pretty great.
It's a nice bus.
All right, thanks. Yeah, it's fun.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.